Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about trading. Whether you're a beginner or you're trying to advance your trading experience, either way, by the end of this video I will turn you into a TradingView master with a very nice TradingView setup. I'm Ricky Trades. I'm a funded trader with over 4 years experience, and all I do is trade. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to navigate TradingView, how to read and customize your charts, how to use basic drawing tools, how to add indicators, how to save your layouts, and a few tips and tricks that will make your trading experience much easier. So let's jump right in. What is TradingView? TradingView is actually a charting platform. It allows traders to analyze financial markets including forex, stock, crypto, futures, and many more. Think of it as the trader's workspace. Whether you are day trading, swing trading, or investing long term, this is actually where you spend most of your time. The first thing you need to do is to create an account. So head over to tradingview.com and get started for free. And you can sign up with your Google, obviously, or your email address. I already have my Google signed in, so I'm just going to. So when you sign in, this is the home page. You can see different major stock prices and a line chart here. So if you want to see a candlestick chart, there's also some other information around here. If you want to see your candlestick chart, you go to products, super charts. When you log in, this is the interface you are met with, and so people get intimidated by this, but it's nothing scary. On your right side you can see these are prices. These are different price points. We're looking at the pair. The pair up here at the top left is pound USD. You can select other pairs by clicking it and searching whatever pair you want. Euro USD. You can search for Bitcoin. You can search for, you see, this is forex. We have to go to crypto to get your Bitcoin, or you put this on all, and you can search for any markets, any currency. You can even search for Naira. In the engine, they're here. So then on your left hand side you see different tools, drawing tools here. These are all drawing charting tools. You can use it to draw and mark on the charts. So we're looking at some of the tools in TradingView, some of the drawing tools. You can see here they have the famous Fibonacci tool drawn out. Let's see if we can draw it out again. You see it's all in this save toolbar here, so I can draw a Fibonacci tool like so. I customize my Fibonacci tool to have this color pattern. You can do so in settings. You'll be able to customize your colors. The other tools here, there are stickers here, different stickers you can use on your charts like so. You can also set colors. There are a lot of geometric tools. That's very funny. Elliott wave. These are tools I've never used before, but I see them around and understand their usefulness. But yeah, there are lots of tools. Fibonacci circles, Gann box. There are plenty tools here for measuring different things. So you can just play around and see what you like to use. Well, my advice is to always keep it simple. Keep whatever you're doing simple, especially in trading. Top right here, these are time frames. For every trader, you should understand and know what time frames are. There's a monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute time frames. Here, these are different forms of charts. This is a line chart, and these are a line chart. Looks like this is a candlestick chart. There are different types. You can drop down. You can see hollow candles, volume candles, different types of charts. You can just, all these are for premium, but there are lots of free ones too. There are for indicators. These are indicators that you can search and add to your chart. You can search, you can add scripts. If you're a coder, you can customize your own indicators and stuff like that. The other tools, the alerts for setting in notifications. The replay tool is for people that backtest with TradingView. So your replay tool allows you to replay to the past. This is your snapshot tool. You can take a picture, download image, copy the link, and get a picture, a snapshot of your chart. On the bottom, we have timestamps. There's a timestamp, so we are looking at price at the right hand. Then time is at the bottom. You can set time zone here. You can see time zone. You can set time zone different depends on where you are. UTC +1 for Lagos, Nigeria. Most people's problem with TradingView is their layout. So how do we actually edit and change our layout? How do we make customize this layout to something more appealing to us? First, I would want to right click and open up settings. You can scroll here, you see your settings, or you can come to this right side here, go to your more settings. Then you see your settings here. You can customize any layout you want. So for example, if I don't want these grid lines on my chart, I will go to canvas and I will go to where you see vertical grid lines, horizontal grid lines, and you just tick it off. I can see it disappeared from the chart. You can see it has disappeared. So if I also want to change the color of my background, you can see I can change it here. I can change it to white, I can change it to gray, I can change it to whatever color I really want. I will go with something like this, off-white. I'll go off-white. So I can also change my bars, my candlestick bar color. Let us change that. Let's see my body. I like keeping it black. For my red candles, I like my red candles being black, and for my green candles, I like them. They could be like white, like I like that color. And borders, always keep it black. Just keep it simple. Everything else will be black. Everything else will be black. Keeping it simple, yeah. Everything else black, and boom. Look at how different it looks already. It looks more calm. And you can also customize your drawing tools. If you want this, if you want to have this bar here or your drawing tool, all you have to do is favorite it by clicking on the tool you want, trend line, then just hit this star here, and it will be, just click this star here and it will be added. So you can also select any other tool you want and favorite it, and to be added to this bar here. And this is how you use after you customize everything you want, you can save layout here. You can save as, then type whatever name, and it is saved. You can always access it and use it just like this. I have different layouts here, and if I use this one, this is my current layout. This is how it looks like. Can customize your long and short position as well. Long and short position as well. Want to go long, you can change the colors by going to settings, also editing all this and saving layouts. Yeah, very simple. This is one of the best charting tools out there, has one of the best user interface and very smooth and very good to use. So you're right here, you can see this is your watch list. You can add whatever currency pair you want to this list. If I want to add Bitcoin, I will click it, select whatever broker or source of chart you want, then click it and it is added. Click the plus sign here, it is added. Whatever currency you want can be added there. Then you can have multiple watch lists. You can create multiple watch lists. There are other obviously tools here, screeners, but this is for way advanced. You don't really need all these tools. These are mainly stocks. Well, if you're into stocks, maybe you have use for all these, but as forex traders, I've not done anything here. So all these tools from bottom here, you don't really pay. They really ignore them. Calendars, time, community, notifications, stuff like that. Just ignore them. Bottom here, you should also be taking notes of all these, some of all these icons here. This bottom, where you can see country flags, because they usually indicate news release. There'll be possible news. So see, this is inflation rates. This news is coming out at this date, July 2nd, 22nd. So they are often aligned around here, and you can see them, and you will get information that they'll be in use so day. Yeah, that's all about TradingView. This, you should be able to improve your user experience with TradingView. Thank you, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next one. Bye.